Hey everyone, this is Frank Visits episode 2. I'm visiting Asian Garden Mall in Westminster, California. This is the spot, it's pretty rad. You know, like the clay figures in China, these are even older and were even more rare when they discovered these. This is buried here, and then it got uncovered around 1752. If you ever feel like you're getting old, hop in here, you instantly become youthful. I was scared that I was going to age, and I was like, crap, what happens when I turn like 50? So my plan has always been that if I find somebody with Benjamin Button disease, have them sneeze in my face, and then hope and pray that I catch the disease so I can, you know, age backwards. But now I don't have to because the Fountain of Youth is here. It was built in 1457. It's the oldest mall in Orange County. Christopher Columbus discovered this actually. Walking here, you feel like you're in a different country. It's pretty legit. These things are actually known to bring good luck. I attached this to me once when I played blackjack and I won $2. This is the amphitheater. Justin Bieber played here. Chris Brown played here. Michael Jackson played here. This is the best smelling cologne. Highly recommended. It's better than Sex Panther. This is actually worn from 101 Dalmatians, Cruella de Vil. It's Posh Spice, everybody. Tell me those look dank. It's a real life parrot. Tony, if you guys get in the rap game and you guys start needing like gold rings, gold chains, gold teeth, whatever it may be, they'll hook you up here. 2 Chainz comes here all the time. Well, you guys are in for a fucking treat right now. I'm not even joking. This is a Geodude. You know Pokemon? Geodude? This is him.
No filming down the tour center.
President Bush sat here. President Obama. First failed assassination on JFK actually happened here. Celebrity sighting here in Orange County. You guys know the Minions? They say the best massages happen at Massage Envy. I call bullshit. Best massages here happen at the mall. If anyone can Venmo me $1 right now. I was in a basketball game last night and my team sucks, so I had to carry them on my back. So my back's been hurting all day, so massage would have been perfect. This spot is the dopest club in OC. It's called Rummage. If you want to say your prayers to the gods. This is part of like the Chinese New Year kind of stuff. This is super hipster now. This is where Cinderella shops. Yo, if you guys need like some knockoff things for cheap, like they got the fake designer brands up here. Louis V, the Burberry. This is actually the first Game Boy that was made before they got it small. So you know how like the first cell phone was ginormous and the first computer was like as big as a 2-story house? The first Game Boy was actually not handheld. You actually had to use a forklift to move it around. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a fucking beast at X-Men vs. Street Fighter. They even got some coca. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Foodgasm is about to happen. Oh, some of the original Christmas lights. These are special because Santa Claus brought them here in 1982. Follow, share, like. I'd love to get to know you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Namaste.